Hey everyone, today we have with us the Sony Alpha 6100. This is one of the many mirrorless cameras that Sony has available in the market right now. We're going to be unboxing it, seeing what you get inside the box. But what's really cool is the box itself says 2-year warranty. So that's pretty awesome. Let's just take off the seal and move right in. So the first thing you will notice is that Sony gives a lot of paperwork. There is a warranty card, there is a booklet about their other portfolio of devices, there is an instruction manual in a multitude of languages, and honestly, this is important information, so it's good to have. Moving further down into the box, we have the other accessories, and by accessories I mean the camera itself. So this is the Sony Alpha 6100 with the new, this is not a new lens, but it's a 1650. This is the standard kit lens that Sony provides with most of their APS-C mirrorless cameras. And it's the idea behind this lens is that it's super compact. It gives a very user-friendly focal length and has a usable aperture of f3.5 to 5.6. So that's what you have in the box. Additionally, you also get you have the Viewfinder eye cup, which is important to have if you want to use the Viewfinder. Otherwise, you can just leave it in the packaging. You have a charging cable. Well, this is not the charging cable. This is probably the cable that goes in the charger. And yep, that is the case. So the charging system of the Alpha 6100 is this kind. Let's just show you. So you have this power block. Into one end you will plug a micro USB cable, where the cable's other end goes into the camera, and then the other side of the charger is plugged into the wall socket. And that is how you will charge the battery of the Sony A6100. You unfortunately do not get an external charger, so you have to charge the battery in camera. The advantage of a system like this is that you can also use a power bank to do something similar. So, but that's about more specific features. Last but not the least, you also have a very nice camera strap, and let's not forget the battery itself, which is right here. So that's a quick look inside the box of the Sony Alpha 6100. These are the things that you get inside the box when you buy it. This is fairly standard for what you get inside the box of any average mirrorless camera, enthusiast mirrorless camera. What is interesting is that this box does not contain a memory card. Now, what could also happen is that during special seasons, maybe deals, sales, whatever, Sony could, or maybe the vendor itself could, bundle a memory card in the box. So if you're looking to buy the Alpha 6100, do make sure to check whether a memory card is included or not. They're fairly cheap. You can just buy one on the side. So thank you guys for watching the video. As for me, I'm going to see you in the next one.